Ever wanted your own IPTV service but don't know where to begin? We've got you covered today. First, let's decode what IPTV really is and why it's creating buzz in digital realms worldwide. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television. Simple terms, TV content delivered over the internet. The magic of IPTV lies in its flexibility and accessibility. Tailor-made content at your fingertips. To start, pick a reliable provider. Discover why 2TV.store is setting benchmarks in the IPTV sector. Next, secure excellent software. This is the backbone of your IPTV service. Make no compromises here. Ensure your IPTV solution supports multiple devices. Viewers enjoy content on more than just TVs. Need a seamless setup experience. 2TV.store provides the tech support you crave for immediate launch. Remember, content is king. Curate offerings viewers will love, from dramas to live sports to news. Balancing quality and cost is key. Customers seek value. Competitive pricing with premier content wins. Maximize reach by leveraging marketing strategies. Social media is your ally in gaining subscribers. Concluding tips: stay updated on industry trends. Evolving tech requires adaptive business models. Offer attractive packages to retain loyalty. Personalization is powerful in keeping your audience hooked. Be authentic and passionate. Enthusiasm for streaming what you believe in resonates more than anything else. Let's summarize. With the right tools and provider, your dream IPTV service is closer than you think. Launch it now, explore possibilities, and let 2TV.store boost your IPTV adventure to new heights.